Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today we will introduce a new feature called Address Column. This feature gives you the ability to enter your exact location with the help of autocomplete function directly in your grid. To begin, simply click on Grid Explorer and navigate to the Column tab. From there, create a new formula field. Set the type to custom and label it as Billing Address Autocomplete. Paste in the required JSON configuration. Then click Check Syntax. Click Save. Next, let's add this column to our grid. Click Apply, then return to Grid Explorer and refresh the page. Great, now you'll see the new column with the address. Let's try inline editing. For our first example, enter your specific location. Then, for the second address, type all the field manually. Click Save to see the results. Fantastic! Now we have both locations displayed perfectly. You can even click to access Google Maps, which will show you the exact locations. That's it. Thank you for watching.